Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome. This is the quickest, guaranteed route. Once the app is open, look to the top right and tap the three-dot menu. You will see New Incognito tab listed. Tap it now. This creates a separate browsing session that won't save history, cookies, or form data to your regular profile. Make sure you're signed out of any accounts if you don't want those tied to this session. Otherwise, proceed to the new tab. Once the Incognito tab opens, you'll notice a gray Incognito icon and a darker theme. That confirms you're in the private session. You can open multiple Incognito tabs using the tab switcher, and each stays separate from normal tabs. When you navigate, Chrome will not retain cookies or site data after closing. If you need to download or save something, understand the file stays on the device even though browsing data is cleared. To finish, close all Incognito tabs or tap the menu and choose Close Incognito tabs. That clears the session immediately. If you find history or logins persisted, make sure you weren't in a normal tab. Restart Chrome to force a fresh state. If pages still track you, check site permissions and extensions. Some allowed permissions or downloads can leave traces. If issues continue, update Chrome and try again. Updates often fix privacy glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.